Hello lovelies, welcome back. Welcome to my chocolate hedgehog slice. No bake, oh yeah baby. Alright, we're going to smash straight into this. I'll write the recipe below in the description as always. First of all, we're going to need a 20 by 30 centimetre roughly lamington tin. You want to put a little bit of butter in it and then whack some baking paper in there to have it all nice and ready to go. Let's do this. So the first thing we want to do is get a large bowl out. And we want to get our chocolate biscuits and just break them all up. Break them into like 6 pieces. Now we add our half a cup of designated coconut, our half a cup of chopped walnuts, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Then we want to mix it up really well and set it aside for a minute. Now in a small saucepan we want to chuck in 100 grams of butter chopped, 150 grams of dark chocolate melts chopped, or whatever chocolate you can get your hands on, and the 395 gram jar tin of condensed milk. Put it all, oh baby, can you see? Yeah, look at that. Alright, what we're going to do, I can never concentrate when I'm making all yummy munchies, I'm telling you. We're going to whack it on the oven on really low, and we're going to slowly melt it all down until the whole thing is melted in perfectly together. Once it's all melted in perfectly together, just make sure you're and it looks like this, we're going to leave it sit there for 2 minutes just to cool down a little bit. Now we want to pour it into our biscuit mix. Now we mix it in really well. Once you've got every part of the biscuit coated, get our tray, dump it in there. Alright, don't pat it down hard, but firmly enough to like push everything in place, okay? Once we finish doing that, as soon as it cools down enough, we're going to whack it in the fridge. Oh, I forgot to say, lift it and drop it a few times, just to get it all to topping. We need 50 grams of butter in a small saucepan. We need 200 grams of chocolate melts. We're going to put it on very low heat, and we're going to melt it all down together. As soon as it's melted, take it straight off and pour it straight over our slice. Oh mate, you know something's going to be good when you're pouring chocolate on chocolate on chocolate. Okay, the slice is cold, so you want to do this really quick. Spread it over, just, oh mate. Now we chuck it in the fridge for an hour and then we just go hard. Well, there we have it, my friends. Chocolate hedgehog slice. It tastes as good as it looks, I'm telling you. Alright, I think I told you to whack it in the fridge for an hour. I don't know if it's so hot here or what's going on, but you've got to leave it in for at least 4 hours, if not overnight. Now, see how I've left the long logs at the bottom? That's because a few of you are like, oh no, I'm going to put more weight on. Do what I do. I wrap them up singly in Glad wrap and freeze them. And then when you want one as a treat, you can pull one out, let it thaw out, slice her up, and bang, you've got hedgehog slice to last you forever. Thank you so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome day. And you know me, I'll be back. Bye!